Ever wonder how you get the perfect hard-boiled eggs? Here's what you need. Eggs, a pot, a bowl, a slotted spoon, and water. First, place your eggs in the pot. Fill the pot with cool water, covering the eggs by 1 inch. Here's a tip to tell if your eggs will peel well. If they lay flat on the bottom, they're too fresh. If they float, they're a little too old. If they stand up, they're perfect. Leaving your eggs in the fridge for 7 to 10 days before boiling will be just about right. Bring your water to a rolling boil over high heat. Turn it down to medium-high and set your timer. Start with 4 minutes for a soft-boiled egg and go up to 9 for a very firm hard-boiled egg. Remove the eggs and run them under cool water or put them in an ice bath to stop them cooking. It's also easier to peel the eggs under running water. And there you have it. Perfectly boiled eggs every time. Great! You're still here. Like this video, subscribe, share it, and let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see by leaving us a message in the comments below. Here's a few more videos for you to pick from.